I'm Husan Lang. I've been practicing survival for 2.5 years. I'm surviving deep in the heart of this primeval forest. I set out early today, heading south, hoping to return to civilization soon. This is a massive chestnut tree. When you're surviving, you can't pass up any chance to find food. Let me see if I can find any fallen chestnuts. This one's rotten. This one's really good. It's really hard, but it's sweet. All the moisture's gone. This is an oil hemp vine. The base is about 30 to 40 centimeters thick. It's probably been growing for a century. These are its seeds. In Chinese medicine, this vine has incredible medicinal value. It aids circulation, enriches the blood, and treats rheumatic joint pain. But the most important part is the flower. The flowers are purple. When it blooms, it produces these long clusters of purple flowers. The poet Li Bai once wrote, "The flower and the beauty delight each other as the king watches with a smile, dispelling the spring breeze's endless sorrow, leaning on the railing north of the pavilion." He was talking about this very flower. This is impossible. Absolutely impossible. How could there be a snake out in this season? Its body is coiled like a spring. It's raising its head. That's a signal it's about to strike. This is a pit viper. Its head is large and triangular. This is a highly venomous species. I was too careless. I said before that the south of Batagong Mountain is warm and humid, perfect for wildlife, and perfect for my survival too. But I didn't expect right after crossing the snow mountains, in this season and this weather, that I'd actually run into one. If I'd stepped on it and been bitten just now, death would have been the only thing waiting for me. When you encounter a venomous snake in the wild, try not to disturb it. We'll go around it. Keep our distance. A place that's good for my survival is even better for the animals. This has been a real wake-up call for me. From now on, I have to be twice as careful. After all, the animals are the true masters of this forest. Look! Wild boar tracks. This is a game trail. Just left a bear's den, now wild boars. The primeval forest here is so well preserved. Over there, over there, over there. The way these trees are broken isn't normal. It's been like this for at least 6 months. This right here is an abandoned wild boar's nest. A huge pile of dry leaves and hay. If you see a pile of grass on flat ground in the wild, stay away. It could be a nest. Animals are very territorial and aggressive during breeding season. I don't know if I'm lucky or not. A wild boar's nest is right in the middle of my path. Surrounded by high mountains and thick thorns, it's very hard to get through. Just like this, it's way too dense. I have to make a weapon to face a wild boar in breeding season. With a spear in hand, I'm ready for anything. If you're an ordinary person in the wild, you must stay away from this. Ah, there are footprints all over the place. Judging by these tracks, this boar weighs about 100 or 200 pounds. Then I found this open area with a pile of grass. This is a sow. Wild boars can be extremely aggressive. But I can handle 200 pounds easily. Hey, just passing through, just passing through. Relax, relax. Stay as far away as possible. The Tujia people have a saying, 1 boar, 2 bears, 3 tigers. She's had a few piglets. Let me see you. Don't do anything. Don't move. Let me see. No. Hey, take it easy or I'll have to finish you off. Ah, there are piglets. See the snout? About 200 pounds. If you see this in the wild, you must stay away. Remember my words, better to cross a lone bear than a sow with her young. A sow in breeding season is extremely territorial. Once she sees you as an enemy, it's a fight to the death. The boars are breeding, so I won't hunt them. Now I just have to set up camp early and find some food to fill my stomach. A few wooden sticks make a simple bed. Too bad there aren't many palm trees here. If I could cover it all with palm leaves, that would be awesome. The waterproofing would be incredible. Roof's finished. Good luck. This is the most secure house I've lived in for days. Time to go get something to eat. I ate it raw before, it was terrible. Today I'm going to roast it. This remaining piece is very tender. But it's a bit bitter, so it needs roasting. It's roasted now, and it's really soft. It tastes a lot like boiled soft radish, but it's actually a bit sweeter. The bitterness has faded. I'm Husang Lang. I've been practicing survival for 2.5 years. I'm currently trekking through this primeval forest. Good morning. Look what I found! An evergreen! As the name suggests, its leaves stay green all year round. This plant is great for potting, and it's excellent at purifying the air. In the wild, you have to learn how to identify different animal dens. This looks like a hog badger's. They're protected animals. Let's go! Just imagine how spectacular this waterfall must be when there's plenty of rain. It's truly a masterpiece of nature. It rivals the Milky Way. Following this winding path down should lead to a small stream. Here's a quick survival tip. If you ever find a stream in the wild, try following it downstream and you'll likely find your way out. Now that I've found one, I feel like I'm already halfway there. I can't stay under this waterfall for long. There are falling rocks. Look at this one. It definitely fell from way up there. There are plenty of impact marks here. I'll grab a drink and get moving immediately. Based on these impact marks, I can tell this is a rockfall zone, so this area is extremely dangerous. I have to pass through here as quickly as possible. After 6 long hours, I've finally made it out of that rockfall canyon. A large herd of wild goats passed through here. Finding these goat droppings is great news. It means I'll be out of this primeval forest very soon. I can hear the sound of running water. There must be water up ahead. I'm going to catch some fish to fill my stomach. The bark of the wingnut tree is great for paralyzing their nerves. It's already been affected by my bark. Ooh, and knocked out. Now it's acting just like it's drunk. It just rained a little bit, so the firewood is slightly damp.
Nothing is more heartening than a bite of food when you're hungry. It would be even better with some salt.
Full and satisfied, it's time for me to hit the road again. I finally reached the river where the stream flows in. 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Small streams form great rivers. A small path. Now I just need to follow the river downstream to return to civilization, signifying that this episode is coming to an end. I'm going home, thank you, mountains. Thank you for everything you've given me. This survival journey had its thrills and its quiet moments. There was laughter and discouragement. Surviving on the mountain made me realize I should cherish life below more. In the future, I will face challenges positively. See you next episode.